In this lesson, we have to estimate and reverse the math. Do checks before you trust a number. It's payday at building site in Rojas City. Felipe, the foreman, holds a helper's pay slip with total of 2,440. If that number is wrong, that helper goes home underpaid. So before we trust it, we check it. By the end of this lesson, you can check any total on a work paper before you pay or sign. Two quick checks do the job on any calculations. There are two ways to check. Number one, estimate. Round the numbers and multiply in your head for a quick rough answer. So if the written total is far from the estimate, something is wrong. Number two, reverse the math. Division undoes multiplication. So divide the total by one of the two numbers. You should land back on the other. So let's check. The slip says 4 days at 610 per day, total of 2,440. The first way is to estimate about how much is 4 times 600. Look now. So if we multiply 600 by 4, that will give us 2,400. And the written is 2,440, so it's close. Good sign. Now let's reverse it. 2,440 divided by 4, that will give us 610 pesos. And that matches the rate on the slip. Both checks pass. So Felipe releases the pay. Now, let's try when a check fails. Imagine the slip said 2,240. First, we have to reverse it. 2,440 divided by 4 gives 560, not the 610 peso rate. The check fails, so we stop and ask before anyone is paid. A common trap is trusting a total because it's printed. Paper does not check itself. The two checks do. Now it's your turn. An invoice says 9 bags of cement at 240 pesos each, with a total of 2,160. First, reverse it. What is 2,160 divided by 9? Correct. The answer is 240 pesos. The same price on the invoice, so the total checks out. I think we can proceed now with our recap. So for our recap, an estimate is a quick graph answer from round numbers. To reverse the math, divide the total to undo the multiplication. Estimate it, then reverse the math. Two checks before you trust a number. That is how you pay, sign, order with confidence. Now let's have a quick self and try this on your own. Question number 1. A pay slip says 21 hours at 58 pesos per hour, with a written total of 2,218. Estimate first. Does the total look right? You may pause the following. Okay, let's check. Round to 20 hours at 60 pesos, so about 1,200. The written 2,218 is nearly double the estimate, so the total looks wrong. The exact total is 21 times 58 pesos, that's equal to 1,218 pesos. Someone slipped an extra 1,000 and the estimate caught it. Let's have question number 2. A written total of 720 pesos came from 6 hours of work at one rate. Reverse the math to find the rate, then say how to confirm it. Now let's check. Divide 720 pesos by 6. So that will give you 120 pesos per hour. To confirm, multiply back. So that's 120 times 6. That's equal to 720 pesos, which matches the written total. So the total checks out. And finally, let's have question number 3. Which check can miss a small slip, like 830 written as 850? The estimate or reversing the math? Let's answer. So the estimate. Both amounts are close to round 800. So the estimate passes either way. Reversing the math is exact, so it catches small slips. That is why we run both checks. So I hope you have learned something today and see you on our next lesson.